You know, when an AI watches a video, do you ever wonder if it actually understands what's going on? Or is it just getting really good at predicting the next pixel? Well, today we're diving into a super interesting paper on a model called Causal-JEPA. It's all about teaching an AI to understand the why behind what it sees. We're going to break down how it forces the AI to learn cause and effect instead of just, well, cheating. So here's the plan. First, we'll get into the big problem that these AI world models are facing. Then, we'll look at C-JEPA's really clever fix, something called latent intervention. After that, we'll check out the amazing results it gets in reasoning and planning. And finally, we'll talk about why this whole causal approach is such a game changer. All right, so first up, what exactly is the problem we're trying to solve here? It really all comes down to a simple but huge difference between just predicting something and actually understanding it. Okay, so at their core, world models are basically AIs that try to learn the physics of a little universe. They watch tons and tons of video, and they get really good at one thing, guessing what's going to happen in the very next frame. And that right there is the million-dollar question. Just because a model can predict that a ball is going to move, does it actually get why? Does it understand ideas like momentum or what happens when two things collide? Or has it just found a clever pattern without any real insight? This really lays out the problem perfectly. On the left, you've got the easy way out, the shortcut. The model just looks at an object and goes, well, it was moving this way, so it'll probably keep moving this way. It's kind of lazy, but hey, it often works. But the real goal, what we want, is on the right. We want the AI to understand that objects crash into each other, that they influence one another. That's true understanding. And this is where C-JEPA comes in with a seriously brilliant solution. It basically forces the model to learn about all those interactions by messing with it, not in the real world, but inside the model's own head, its own representation of the world. Now, I know this diagram looks a little complicated, but the key idea is actually super simple. It's happening right there in the middle. The model sees some video frames, but before it tries to predict what happens next, there's a crucial masking step. And that step, well, that's the secret sauce. It's what makes the AI think in a totally new way. And this quote from the paper just nails it. The researchers are saying that this whole masking thing makes it impossible for the model to take that lazy shortcut we talked about. To do its job and make a good prediction, it has to learn how objects actually interact. There's no other way. So what is this latent intervention thing, really? This analogy just makes it all click. Picture a game of pool. C-JEPA's technique is like telling the AI, okay, predict where the 8-ball is going to end up. But here's the catch. You're not allowed to see the 8-ball. You can only see the cue ball hit it and watch how all the other balls scatter. The only way to get it right is to actually learn the physics of how balls bounce off each other. And this is what that looks like in practice. Just think of each row here as a different object, and time is moving from left to right. See that grayed out row for object S3? C-JEPA has literally hidden that object's past from the AI. So to have any clue where S3 is going next, the model is forced to look at how all the other objects are moving. It has to learn how they all interact. It's like a tiny physics experiment happening thousands of times every second. Okay, so this is a really clever trick. But does it actually work? Oh, yeah. The results are nothing short of stunning, both in how the AI reasons and how it plans its actions. The first huge win is in something called counterfactual reasoning. And that's just a fancy way of saying it's great at answering what-if questions, which is a really good sign of genuine causal understanding. And the improvement is just huge. C-JEPA's masking trick led to a more than 21% absolute jump in getting these what-if questions right. Let me tell you, in AI research, a leap that big is a massive deal. And here's the hard data to back it up. The original model without any masking scored just under 48%. But C-JEPA, the exact same model but with that masking trick, jumped all the way up to almost 69%. So get this, the only thing that changed was the training method. And that one change led to this massive boost in reasoning. All right, the second big result is maybe even more impressive. This deeper understanding doesn't just make the AI smarter at answering questions, it makes it way, way more efficient at actually doing things, like planning actions in a simulation.
So, how much more efficient are we talking? 8 times. The AI can figure out what to do next 8 times faster than older, clunkier models. That's a radical speed up. So here we see C-JEPA getting an almost 89% success rate on a robotic task where it has to push a block. But what's really wild is that this performance is right up there with much, much larger models that work by looking at every tiny patch of an image. C-JEPA gets the same great result using a tiny fraction of the computer power.
And this chart just puts that efficiency into perspective. Look at this. The old school models have to process over 75,000 different features to make a decision. C-JEPA, it only uses 768. That's about 1% of the data. It's the difference between analyzing every single blade of grass versus just understanding where the trees are. It's so much smarter.
All right, so let's zoom out for a second and talk about the big picture. What does all of this really mean for the future of AI?
So if we boil it all down, here are the huge takeaways. First, this object masking trick is a powerful new way to force an AI to learn interactions. Second, it leads to these massive improvements in reasoning, especially for those tricky what-if questions. Third, it unlocks incredible efficiency for things like robotics. And finally, and this is the big one, it gives us a whole new toolkit for building a sense of cause and effect right into our AI models from the start.
And that really leaves us with a fascinating question to chew on. C-JEPA works because it found a shortcut that AIs were taking, and it blocked that path, forcing them to learn a deeper truth. So it makes you wonder, what's the next shortcut we need to find and eliminate? What other clever tricks are AIs using, and how can we guide them towards an even more profound understanding of how our world really works?